Welcome to Mike's Man Cave and welcome back for another Ryobi 18V tool unboxing. Now today I'm wearing my Christmas shirt because this was a Christmas present I got yesterday. Yesterday being Christmas. Now what we've got here is the Ryobi 18V 1 Plus Cordless Soldering Iron. Now there's two versions of the Ryobi soldering iron, and this is the bigger, more expensive version. It's got adjustable temperature control and it's got a holder there for your soldering iron, and it's also got various soldering tips. Now this is also marketed for wood burning, as you can see there. Okay, I'll give you a closer look at the box. A little bit of a reflection there from the light, and there's the back of the box just for you to have a quick look at. Now it's got adjustable temperature for different applications. Now the working temperature is 200 to 480 degrees Celsius. It's a 45 watt soldering iron, and it claims a runtime of up to 200 minutes with a 5 amp hour battery, which is one of these. Okay, I've got a few of these. So that's a 5 amp hour battery there, and 200 minutes, which is over 3 hours, which is pretty good. So let's just get it out the box and see what it actually looks like. Okay, first thing out of the box is the soldering iron holder. Nice and shiny. Oh yeah, have a look at that. They give you some soldering wire. Huge. Anyway, I suppose I didn't really expect to get any soldering wire, so I should be happy. And there's a little soldering pad for cleaning the tips. And here's various tips in the bag. Let's see what we've got. Okay, there's 3 different tips. I'll put it in front of my face because this camera keeps focusing on my face. Hopefully you'll be able to see the tips like that. Got the instruction book. Box is empty. More rubbish. More rubbish. And here it is. It looks pretty good. Okay, there's the soldering iron. To change your soldering tip, you just untwist that. You obviously can't do this while it's hot. Take your tip off and put a different tip on there and tighten it back up. That easy to change tips. That's really good. Let's put the fine soldering tip back on there that it came with. There you go, swap tips real easy. Obviously you can't do that while it's hot, or maybe you can wear gloves, or you might be a lot tougher than me. Like I said, you can use this for wood burning if you want to. That's not the reason I wanted it to. I do a fair bit of work on cars, restoring cars and wiring harnesses, and also to do a little bit of plastic welding. I've got some other soldering irons there that I use for plastic welding, and this is good because you can adjust the temperature so you're not burning the plastic. So you can adjust your temperature there, and if you're doing plastic welding, that's really handy because at 480 degrees you'd just be destroying the plastic, but at 200 or maybe a little bit more you can do some nice plastic welding with this soldering iron, hopefully. Now there's little holes here that hold your spare tips, just like that. Okay, to mount the soldering iron holder, put it in the hole there and then twist it and it clips in. That easy. And now you've got a soldering iron holder for your soldering iron. There's a fully charged 5 amp hour battery, and the battery just clips in the back here. Easy as that. Now to turn it on, you just press that button there and you can see the light comes on, which means now the soldering iron is starting to heat up, and here you can adjust your temperature. And I'm assuming that when it reaches the temperature that you've preset, that light should probably go off. Let's let it, oh no, it goes green. Yep, it's definitely getting warm. And see, as we turn the temperature, so you can see what temperature it's at. So that's warmed up really quick. So it's already up around the 250 degrees, I guess. And you can feel the heat coming off it when you put it near your face. It's probably not the ideal way to test it, but you can definitely tell there's some heat coming off it now. In less than probably a minute, it has reached its full temperature, and you can definitely feel the heat coming off that. So yes, it has, pretty certain it has reached the full temperature. There you go, nice one. I really like this full soldering station. You can sit this on your desk and work away, do some wood burning or do some soldering. Very, very good Christmas present. Another one for my collection, and it's something that I really needed. It's always good when you get something for Christmas that you actually need. I was actually looking at these a little while ago, and I was planning to buy one at some stage, but now I've got one for Christmas. So thanks for that. Now if you've got any questions relating to this soldering station, do me a favour, leave a comment down below and ask your questions, and I'll do my best to try and answer them. In the meantime, if you enjoyed this video and found it useful at all, do me a favour, give me a big thumbs up. Oh, you can feel the heat coming off that. Definitely hot now. And don't forget to smash that subscribe button, not the new soldering station that I just got for Christmas, for more videos from Mike's Man Cave. Thanks for watching, and bye for now. There you go.
Can he be in the video? Aww, you can see him. The big dog.
That's the big dog. Right here. Come here. Come here. There he is. Big dog.